Hi, in this video, we're going to continue our discussion of port numbers with TCP and UDP sockets. So if we take a look here, we have two clients both connected to the same web server. And just so happens, they're both using the same port numbers. Okay, at least one of the port numbers is the same, 49888. So how does the server know which port number to associate with which device? Well, the way that it does this is the connection is defined by a pair of numbers known as sockets. The source IP address and source port from the client to the server, and the destination IP address and destination port number, server to client. Okay? But this is all from the perspective of whoever we're looking at. So from the source IP address and source port numbers, and we're going to look at these more in a moment, this is where is the segment coming from. It's coming from this IP address and this specific port on the client. Okay, we'll see in a moment the destination port and IP address are associated with where is it headed, where is it going to. So let's take a look. Combining the transport layer port number and the network IP address uniquely identifies a particular application process running on that individual host device. We call this a socket. A socket pair consists of the source and destination IP addresses and its port numbers. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. So here's a socket. This is the client socket with the source IP address and the source port number. This identifies where the application came from. Okay, it came from a specific IP address, 192.168.1.101, colon, and then the port number, the source port number, 49888. Another socket pair represents the destination IP address and destination port number. Where is it headed to? What is it for? Okay, this is going to be, of course, both of these are going to be used by the server in this case, or by the destination. But in this case, it identifies the IP address and the well-known port number, port 80. Together, these two sockets combine what's known as a socket pair. So we have the source IP address and source port number, destination IP address, and destination port number. Okay, we've seen this before when we looked at the netstat command. Okay, so the netstat command shows us this socket pair. So it shows us any of the TCP and UDP processes that we have currently running on our system. Yep. So notice that for both web pages, it shows, in this case, the socket pair associated with that. And once again, web pages typically have multiple uses multiple source ports and destination ports, or I'm sorry, multiple source ports on this from the perspective of the client. So you typically see multiple port numbers. Okay, so this is how each side can easily and uniquely identify what process the data is destined for.